After not being sure where to start this morning because there was so much that urgently needed to be done, I decided I needed storage in the laundry so that I could unpack better. And in order to do that, I had to clean the laundry and prep for painting because I'm not putting cupboards up until the walls are sealed with Zinza primer. I'm using BIN because that will seal in any odor. It was revolting. When I moved into this house, there was actually a puddle of urine on the floor in the laundry. I would say the previous owner used to just stand in the laundry and pee out the door. It was over 3 hours of cleaning, and it's one of the smallest rooms in the house. So what have I learned in this process? Well, probably two things that are definitely worth sharing, especially if you also need to get rid of odors. So firstly is you need to wash the walls, the floor, the ceiling, every part with a combination of sugar soap, water and vinegar. So I mix half a cup of sugar soap with 500 ml, so about half a litre of vinegar, and then around 5 litres of water. You don't have to be precise, but that seems to do the trick. These mops, by the way, are bloody terrific. They're just the cheap mops that you can buy at the supermarket with a sponge pad. I wash everything with these now. They are terrific. Wash the ceiling, I wash the walls. I just make sure that it's squeezed out so it's not absolutely dripping, but it's still pretty darn wet, and you need that. You want that vinegar to get up there and deodorize, but you also want that sugar soap to do its job and degrease the surface. So the man that owned this prior to me was also a smoker, so I need to get rid of the smell of cigarettes as well as the smell of pee. So I'm, scrubbing it all. The screen held a lot of urine smell, so I removed the screen entirely. I tried hosing it. It didn't make any difference. You can see the timber door here is just soaked with urine. Like, the timber itself is actually starting to rot because the urea in the urine has eaten away at the timber. And you can see the staining on the bottom of the screen door. Pretty hard to believe it, but it is 100% urine, and I gave it a really good hose, and then I used my mop once again to give it a really good scrub with the sugar soap and vinegar. I also did the timber framing here. It's not ideal to wet this because it's quite raw timber. I think eventually I will have to remove it. But yeah, I then got in with a scrubbing brush and gumption in order to get rid of the rest of the urine residue. It is much better now. The smell's gone and I'm ready for stage 2.